how to convert an image to a PDF in Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Google Drive and Google Docs. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign into your Google account. But here, I'm already signed in. Next, click the New button in the top left corner. Then select File Upload. Choose the image you want to convert to a PDF and click Open. Once the upload is complete, click Recent to quickly find your uploaded image. Now, right-click the image, select Open With, and then choose Google Docs. Google Docs will create a new document with your image. If there's any extra text or blank space in the document, remove it so that only the image remains. Next, click File. Select Download, then choose PDF document, .pdf. Google Docs will automatically download your image as a PDF file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully converted an image into a PDF using Google Drive and Google Docs. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Google Drive and Google Docs tips and tutorials.